What's up, guys? Welcome back to Build Cool again. Today, it's back to work bike, my 1978 Sears and Roebuck Freespirt. And in this episode, it's time to get that motor mounted on that frame. But in order to do that, we're going to have to start by going through and marking all the wires on that harness so we can get it all unplugged and we'll know right where it goes back to. And then from there, we're going to do another mock-up with the frame on the motor so I can put some markings and know what I need to clean up so that way we have clean surfaces to weld on. From there, we'll get the frame back on the motor once more, and then we'll start on the left side of it, and then we're going to have to box in the right to match the other motor mount. So, before we get started, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool. And while you're at it, be sure to turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time a new episode drops. So with all that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, it's the next day here. So yesterday we were able to go through, get the left side all welded up, and we got all the pieces made and tacked in on the right side to box that all in. So I'm gonna have to go through, show you guys how it looks now. And so today we're gonna go through, finish welding that all up, and then who knows, maybe we'll be able to get this thing running again this episode. Before we get started, let's be sure to smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building cool shit. And with all that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got that motor mount all welded up. And then off camera I went ahead and welded on a little tab so that way I can bolt on the coil. I'll just have to shorten the spark plug wire a little bit to make it all work. But the more I look at it, the more I think, instead of getting this thing running, I think the best bet is to go ahead, take everything off, and let's give this thing a little paint. I've got so much paint laying around, may as well put it to use and give this thing a fresh coat so it doesn't get all rusted up. So let's go ahead, we'll get this thing all taken apart, probably call it a wrap for this episode, and then next episode we'll spray it. So with all that being said guys, let's get started. So we went ahead and got that bike all stripped down. Now it's just the bare frame. So I think this is the time that we're going to go ahead and call it a wrap for this episode. Next episode, we'll go ahead, get this thing all cleaned up, and then it's ready for paint. So then hopefully we'll get it all painted, put back together, and then back up and running. But before we get out of here, let's go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on building. So with all that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Peace!